Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. My name is Jason Jordan. If you haven't been here before, my channel is all about helping people to make money online. I put out a lot of training and a lot of ways to get out there and start making money online. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would sure appreciate it if you did. Now's a good opportunity for that. Just hit that button below. Helps me out a ton. And maybe you'll learn something. So today, the video I wanted to go over was just some changes that we've had inside our free training system for SHG. It's always a work in progress. As I've said on many of the other videos, it's always a work in progress. We're always trying to make things better to help you, to help all of us. That's what it's all about, is helping people. So what I want to show today, first, I'm just going to jump into the members area right here. So once you get signed up and once you get in, then you would get access to this team site. Well, this is our team site. And like I've said in previous videos, if you haven't watched those yet, for a full walkthrough, go back, watch those other videos. I do a full walkthrough day by day. But we have had some updates that I wanted to go over those updates so that you are aware. So we do have a new funnel in place. It's been the best converting yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what that looks like right here. So this is what the new funnel looks like. It's a very good design and it really converts well. And I'm going to get logged in. Let's use this one. Okay, so you're going to come in here and you're going to see, okay, this is the world's only $20 business. If that's all you want to invest in this, you can invest $20 and get your own business and start pushing this out there and start making money. There'll be a video here, just a show and tell. And of course, down here, again, it is the fastest and simplest way to start creating a profitable online business. And you can start this and have it set up. I would say you could do it within 24 to 48 hours. But my recommendation really is to go through the training day by day so that you fully understand everything in there if you're brand new. And if you're not brand new, you can come in here and you'll be able to start this right away and start seeing some results probably fairly quickly. Chances are, if you're not brand new, you probably already have some ads out. You've probably got some people you can push this over to. But if you're brand new, that's fine. We all start at zero and you will get there and we will help you. Okay, so this is an all-in-one business. Everything you need to run this business is in this funnel system. Now, we're the only ones in this program that does exactly this. So by finding this and finding this team, you've definitely found the right place to be. Okay. All this is absolute truth. You will learn skills that you can use across other businesses if you choose to. There's a ton of training that goes on. And I'm not going to go through this all word for word. You can log into my site and you can see all this. And you can also click the link. You can go in and see this for yourself. Okay. And this just goes lots of information in here. Yes, this is all included. So all your products, website, sales funnel, email. We do the emails for you. Product delivery. Yep, it's easy. It's digital. Customer service is done for you through SHG. Sales copy, yes, that's all in the training site. And customer service, that is all through SHG. So you don't have to worry about any of that. right? That is what makes this business the right business to be in. It's a digital product. All you have to do is push traffic to it and make your sales. Okay. And this right here is one thing that I hit on a lot. If you don't find a way to make money in your sleep, you will work until the day you die. Now, that is truth. Okay. You want to have something that makes you money all the time without you having to babysit it all the time and be into it all the time. So the great thing about a business like this is that this creates residual income. Okay. This is a subscription based. So whenever people join you and they get their savings, now they pay every month and you get paid from that every single month. And there's no cap on how much you can make. This just goes on and on forever, as big as you can grow it. Okay, the things that you get inside this training, you get a complete marketing system. Like I said, everything in there is, and there's no cost. It's no additional cost. It's all covered. Okay, we do all the sales funnels. They're already built and they're all ready to go. You don't need to build anything. You don't need to go get a page builder. This is all done and ready to use. You just go in and get your link. Okay. All the emails are done for you. So these are all written and get sent out on your behalf, going back to your link. All right, back to your business. So this is all done for you. So you don't have to think up emails to write. You don't have to go and pay for an autoresponder. It's already done. It's in here and it's just automatic. Okay. All the member training. So this is done all the time. Okay. So, if you make a sale or when you make a sale, you know what to do. You know how to direct those people and what they need to do. And we've set this up in such a way that they can go through the team site, through the step-by-step training, and they'll have it figured out. We've made this as hands-off as possible so that if the mentors or if whoever brought you in or anybody is out of country or on vacation, you don't need them to tell you what to do. It's all in here. Okay. And then you get this training. This training is for social media. It's very good training. You also get training on YouTube University and how to set up a YouTube channel and how to get traffic to your channel. And then we're going to also put you in a rotator so we can get traffic driven to your link. Okay. So you've got full support through the Facebook group. We've got a Facebook group that everybody's in there answering questions. If you have questions, you go in and ask on the pinned posts and you will get an answer. And we do live weekly trainings and masterminds at no additional cost. Right? We do them every single week. We never miss one. We also do Facebook Lives, again, no extra cost. So this is the full kit. And all this is free with your paid membership through SHG. This is not connected with SHG inside that system. This is only our system, but it's all connected. That's the business that this is backed by. Okay. And then, of course, we have some myths down here. All right. So there's a lot of people out there that you want to stay away from, a lot of promises being made that aren't necessarily true. Now, we have designed this so that anybody can do it. It's a great business that we are backing us, and is a full savings portal. So with the savings and the money that can be made, it's twofold. Okay. So you're going to do both. You're going to save a ton of money just by going through with the membership. And then you're going to make money just by simply sharing it with other people. Who doesn't want to save money nowadays, especially nowadays, right? We went to get groceries the other day, and it seems like everything is just doubled in price. It's ridiculous. We went to buy a Thanksgiving turkey for the holiday coming up, and it was double. It was double the price that it should have been. That was ridiculous. They had some in there that were triple and quadruple the price for a turkey. That's it. Okay. So wherever you can save money, that is definitely what you want to do. So guys, really, I wanted to run through this. And I have one other thing that I want to show back in the members area. We also have added some banners for advertising. Okay, so these banners, you can come in here and you can download it, and you can use them for your social media posts. You can use them for your Facebook pages. You can use them for your website. You can use them wherever you want. Okay, it's easy. You come in here, you download it, and then you go put it wherever you need it. Now, if you need other sizes other than this, you can send in to team support, and DK will resize those and get that ready for you. But this is really the standard sizes, and it's a nice addition to the team site and what is out there and available. All right, so this team site is going to show you every single thing that you need to get this business up and going. This is truly a great business to start an online career, and you can run it forever. It's not going anywhere. I have a lot of faith in the company and a lot of faith in the team. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you would do so. Just click the button down there somewhere. It means a lot to me, helps me out a ton, and I hope to see you on the inside. Let me know if you have any questions, and we will see you at the top. Later.